In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync a SharePoint document library to your desktop in just 5 minutes. First, you'll want to open your web browser and search for Microsoft SharePoint. This platform is a fantastic tool for organizing and managing files within an organization, allowing you to collaborate seamlessly with your team. Once your browser is open, simply type Microsoft SharePoint into your search engine, and it should be one of the top results. Now, you need to click on Sign In. If you're already logged into a Microsoft 365 account, you may automatically be signed in, which saves some time. However, if you aren't signed in yet, you'll have to manually enter your email address followed by your password. Ensure you know your credentials before starting this process so you don't hit any snags. Next, open a new tab in your web browser and go to your designated SharePoint site. You should be familiar with this URL, especially if you frequently use SharePoint to manage your documents. Once you're on the SharePoint homepage, look for the specific document library you want to sync to your desktop. It might be helpful to have an idea of what the document library contains so you can easily identify it once you're in SharePoint. Once you've navigated to the desired library, pay close attention to the top toolbar. This is where you'll find an essential button for this process, the Sync button. Click on it to initiate the synchronization setup. At this point, you might see a prompt asking you to sign in to your OneDrive account. OneDrive and SharePoint are closely linked, and OneDrive plays a crucial role in syncing files to your desktop. After signing into OneDrive, the synchronization process will begin. A small notification may pop up, confirming that the sync is underway. After a few moments, depending on the size of your library and the speed of your internet connection, you'll have successfully synced the library. This synced library will neatly appear in your Windows File Explorer, organized under a folder named after your organization. It's like having SharePoint directly on your desktop. Now, you can open, edit, and save files directly from this location, making document management more efficient and accessible. Remember, any changes you make here will automatically update back in the SharePoint library, keeping everything in sync. This process not only streamlines your workflow, but also ensures that you're always working with the most recent documents, enhancing collaboration and productivity across your team. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. Feel free to revisit any section of the video to ensure every step is clear. Now, you can go ahead and make your document management a breeze with SharePoint and OneDrive. Thanks for watching, and happy syncing.